and welcome to my very belated October 2021 Boxycharm base box unboxing. Oh, we're slowly chipping away at it, guys. We're slowly chipping away at it. But, I mean, the rumors I read are true about Ipsy and Boxycharm merging. Won't be as big of an issue for much longer because they're just going to be one company. But anyway, so we've got our little Spellbound card. And in here, first thing I'm actually super excited about to have. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Drops, which I have a couple little sample sizes of. I'm really glad to have the full size of this. This retails for $34. This highlighting skincare and makeup hybrid visibly brightens skin and delivers an effortless glow while helping reduce hyperpigmentation. The niacinamide-infused serum is formulated without mica, glitter, or pearls. It creates a lightweight, buildable texture that quickly absorbs, making it suitable for all skin types. Use the hydrating highlighting serum before moisturizer or as the last step of your routine. So I just want to look at the bottle because I've seen pictures of it and it looks so cool, and I'm like, oh, I actually own the thing. I actually own it. Check it out. It's the one that looks like a light bulb. Like, I'm stupid excited over this. Like, I shouldn't be, but I am. It does look like a light bulb, just saying. But oh, goodness. That is weighty. Like, I'm surprised at how hefty that is. So, we've got that to be working into the routine sometime soon. So, very, very stoked there. Actually, should go over here. But anyway, next up, we have the Treluce Beauty I Am Alma set, which retails for $25. The complete eye set that includes everything you need for an eye-catching look. The I Am Alma palette features a combination of 6 matte and shimmer shades from the I Am Shadow palette in the perfect on-the-go travel size. The set also includes a pair of beautiful vegan reusable lashes complementary to every eye size. I didn't know it came with lashes! Bro! Oh, right on top. Courtesy eyelash glue. That's so cute. Well, if I can actually get them on, I might have to get some proper eyelash glue. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at those. Ooh, those are nice. I really need to figure out how the hell to apply fake lashes, like deadass. I need to. Because I have quite a few that I would very much like to be able to wear, but I'm stupid and never managed to get them on correctly. Anyway, well, actually, let me touch them because it popped open. I want to touch them. Ooh, they're hella soft. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love the feel of those. Ooh, okay. So then, the I Am Alma palette. Okay, I'm going to block the mirror so I don't blind you. But here are the colors. They're really pretty. We have Hustle, Grateful, Unica, Alma, Bella, and Divina. We're really, really loving those two sparkly, the like turquoise and the green ones. Those are hella pretty. I am in love with those already. But I'm sure I'll love the whole palette once I get like dipped into it. But oh my gosh, I didn't know it came with lashes. But like, I'm so stupid excited over that. Like, you don't even know. You don't even know. I'll just stick those here for now. Next up, we also, from the same brand, this is actually more expensive, the Treluce Beauty Like an Artista brush set. This retails for $27. Pack on the pigment or blend as much as you need. Professional quality, vegan mixed texture fibers make it easy to perfect your ideal eye look. The set includes a B100 Deluxe Blending Brush, B101 Classic Blending Brush, B102 Angled Blending Brush, and B121 Rounded Pencil Brush. Oh, let's see. So I think these might be fancier than what all I currently use. Like, I can almost guarantee that, but... What? The hell is that? Ah! I was gonna say silica, but not even. It's activated carbon. Okay, so we've got... Let's look at the brushes. Ooh! Ooh, look at the blue. Oh, I love that. Ooh, there's like slightly rubber. It feels like an EOS. So this one is the B100, which is the deluxe blending brush. So, okay. I'll seize it, I'll seize it. Ooh, I love the feel of it. Where did I put the thing that it wasn't? There it is. Because just to keep them safe for now, pop it back in. Come on. Okay. And then we have the B102. I think this is just the angled one, yeah? Yes. So this I have something like it, but this is a nicer one. Always love to see that. I love that they're vegan. This one is B121. The rounded pencil brush. I would never have, like, guessed by that name that that's a pencil brush. You would think a pencil brush would be, like, skinny, right? Like a liner, but maybe I am not understanding why they call it pencil. But we have that. And then finally, the B101, the classic blendy brush. Okay, so the deluxe one is just like longer versions of the bristles. I gotcha. Okay. Good to know. Very cool, very cool. Let's just pop those back in the box for just right now, but I will be taking those straight into the bathroom to get those with the rest of my brushes. Okay, so after that, next up, from Pinky Rose, we have the multi-use makeup base sticks. I love that packaging. That's so cute. It looks like a little boombox. This is $20. Oh my gosh. A cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as an eyeshadow or a primer to your eyeshadow. Can also be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. The perfect duo to be used together or separately. Alright, let's look. Okay, this one says hip hop on it as the name. And this one I would assume would be like the shadow base type one. Oh yeah. Yeah. And for me that pretty much could only be a shadow base. It couldn't really be a highlighter because it just would match my skin. So what color is the other? As in the other one. The other one! Thank you. It's like the one is the only one coming out. So this one's Jazz. Oh good, I'm glad they gave the prettier one the Jazz name. And it... Ooh, it's like copper. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Is this a sharpener? It is! Oh, you know I love to see that. So, okay. Here for this. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm way more excited here than I probably should be. So, we have that. And then the last thing in here feels like a little bit of a rip-off, but it's $20. So, I mean, it just seems unnecessary to pay $20 for makeup remover wipes. But they're by Julep, so it has Pore Refining Witch Hazel in it, which that shouldn't be making it $20, but whatever. Simplify your routine with these 2-in-1 wipes that gently remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. Swipe across skin to gently remove all makeup, even waterproof mascara, without tugging or pulling. No need to rinse. Suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone. 100% biodegradable. Okay, that's good to see. How many are in it? Like 20? 60! Oh! Okay. Well, for 60, that feels suddenly a lot more worth it, because I'm used to ones with like 20 in them. So, okay, that's like 3 packs. Okay, this is starting to feel more worth it between that and them being biodegradable. Okay, alright. Well, and this is for sure safe to use around the eyes? Okay. I will definitely give them a try. Wow, alright. Bougie makeup wipes. Okay. I think this is my first bougie makeup wipes I've had, but alright. I'm sure they work just like every other makeup wipe on the planet, except these are biodegradable, so it is good. But anyway, that was what was in my October base Boxycharm box, so hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you'd like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.